Hey Gits family, welcome back. It's another day with another vlog. We're back like we never left. And so guys, today I'm doing something that is very interesting. This video is highly requested and it's about a brow tutorial. And so guys, the things that you need are Pro Girl Pro Concealer, a concealer brush, a brow brush, and of course Davy's pencil, which is number 3, the one that I use. So guys, I'm brushing my eyebrows using the eyebrow brush to give them a bit of shape. So guys, the key here is to follow the shape of your eyebrows. Don't over exaggerate or move out of the eyebrows. The key is just follow the shape of your eyebrow and it will be very easy for you. So I'm trying to fill in the spaces in between my eyebrows so that they can look full and well done. I'll take the eyebrow brush and brush through to just to make sure that they are well done and to fill in the spaces which have not been filled yet. That's it guys, I'm already done with that eyebrow. Now we move to the next one. The procedure is just the same, nothing much. So guys, at this point, as you can see, I've trimmed my eyebrows according to my shape, the way I want them to look like, and I can clean them or I can leave them at that. But since this is a tutorial guys, just for you particularly, I need to show you how I do clean them. So trimming is very essential. You see, they already look neat even without cleaning them using the concealer. also try as much as you can to make sure that your eyebrows look natural and they don't look so exaggerated. So guys, we're going to clean our eyebrows using Elgal Pro Concealer and a brush, concealer brush. I don't know if it's a concealer brush, but for now let's call it like that. So guys, this is the hardest part, but don't worry. Let's blend the concealer in. So guys, you have to be very careful when blending in the concealer so that you don't interfere with your brows. So guys, sometimes I like using my middle finger to blend in because it does the work perfectly. That's it. Very simple, natural, and also perfect. You can try this as many times as you want, and with time it will be better. So guys, hope you have learned something and you'll try this at home. Also remember to subscribe to our channel and share and also like, and please leave a comment on the comment section of what you think. Until next time, adios, peace out, we love you.